Now, as I am discussing about the re-indexing, so first to program I have shown you student that how we are doing the re-indexing of the word. Now, this is one series of re-indexing where I am renaming the index. Okay, where I am renaming the index. Now, next one, another program I am going to show you. In this particular program, you see it that re-indexing the particular thing. Now what I am doing, re-indexing rows in a panda series. Okay, so I have given the name. So based on the name, their weight, age, everything is given. That this is what, this is your dictionary. This is not a data series. This is a data series. This is data series, this is data series. But when it come in one frame, it became a dictionary. So data dictionary. Now this data dictionary has been converted into a data frame. Clear? This data dictionary has been converted into the data frame. Now let us run it, see what the output is coming. Then I'm going to discuss the next portion. So let us see what the output is coming. This is the previous output. I haven't deleted that previous output for understanding purpose. It will be easier for you. Now see very nicely. So what it is there, you see here, I have taken the names here. All the names are there. So based on their age, weight, height and transcode is given there. Now I am printing this particular data frame. Data frame is printed. You know how to d equals to pd data dot data frame, and the data or where you are storing it. If it d1, if it data series, data name, whatever the name you are given, s1, s underscore data, anything what that thing you are giving, that means last assignment as I have given to you. In this way you will going to print this particular series to see that what is the output it is giving. Now what I am doing, data of the data frame after re-indexing. What re-indexing I have done, d dot re-index 21043. Have you seen it? So what is my index is 0 1 2 3 4. I have just changed the order as per my way of, or as per my convenience process. Clear? So as per my convenience process, what I have given, I have given first the 2 will come. The index value 2, what the value it is storing there in that particular index, data will going to call all those related datas and that will be printed. See here, based on 2, what are the related datas are there, everything is printed there. Now what I said, 1, respect to the 1, what are the related datas are there, that will going to print. Now next one, what related to the 0, what are the datas are there that are printed. That means how I am doing, I am writing here, first I am taking this, I didn't define any index here. Why? Because by default it will going to take some index on the particular program. By default it is taking what the index is, those zeros. This is the thing, 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, okay, then 4. And if you want to define the index, you can define the index. If you want that data series index, you can define it. Clear? So this is how you are going to see. These are the two program I have kept it, and two outputs. See here, the first case output is here and the second case output is here. In this particular series of output, what I have done, I have re-indexed the row in the panda data frame. That means I re-index the total thing. So you can re-index your data frame. That means here I am doing with a very small amount of data. Now it is required for you that you know in which index space what the data is stored. You want to retrieve the data in that particular manner. Okay, so that you can do according to your own specification as you wish. So this is the specification what we say. This is the specification part that you say that I am going to discuss this particular thing. I am going to re-index this particular panda in this particular scenario. Is it clear to you? I think so. So first case what I have been done, I have taken one data series. In this data series I have made one index for it, and after making the index I have again reprinted it by changing the index values. That has been done. This is the first case. And in the second case, just I have re-indexed the number. So whichever I want to come first, I call that one. Secondly, the second one. And similarly, in this way, I have called one by one to store the value in the data series or in your data series what you are in.